Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to show you how to open a new PayPal account. Head over to your browser and type paypal.com, click enter. The page is going to direct you to the PayPal official web page. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the page. As you can see here, if you want to open a personal account, you click here. Business account, you click here. Enterprise account, you click here. And on your top right, there's login and sign up. Since we are opening a new account, we are going to click sign up. So remember, we are opening a personal account, and a personal account is best for shopping online, or if you intend to send money to friends and family. If you have a business and you want to do business transactions, you can opt for business account. So let's proceed with personal account. Click get started like that, and make sure you select your region. In my case here, I'm going to select Kenya as my region. It's good to select the correct region because PayPal terms and services are region specific. Continue and click get started. Now here is whereby you enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email. After entering my email, I'll then go ahead and click next. Next, they require my phone number, and remember to use correct details because these details are the ones that will be used to verify your account. Now I'll go ahead and enter my phone number. After entering my correct phone number, I'm going to click next. Here it is requiring me to confirm my phone, so a verification code will be sent to your phone number to verify it's your correct phone number. Let me enter my verification code number. Good. Now you can see they require me to create a password. Make sure you create a very strong password because you understand that online activities should be protected with a strong password. I have created a password, then I'm going to click next. In this step, I'm required to enter my personal information, and you can see they say make sure this matches your official ID. First, it's nationality, which is in my case, which is Kenya. First name, I'll enter my first name. Then last name. Then I'll enter my ID type. In my case, my ID type is national ID. So I'll select national ID. ID number, I'll enter my ID number. Then I'll enter my date of birth, and you can see there's a format whereby you start by date, month, and year. So I enter my date of birth. After entering my personal information, then I'll click next. Here they require me to enter my address. Here PayPal has successfully accepted your mailing address, and you can already start shopping or sending payments. If you're not sure, you can click here. Here, this is a step whereby you can add your card details. You don't have to add the card details right away, and that is why they have the option of not now, but it's always good to add your card details. So here they want me to verify my email, and I'm going to, and you can see they say accept payments accept payments with your email. This account that has been sent to my email, the email that I provided as my PayPal account. So I'm going to hand over to my email account and see the verification code. And you can see here, this is my verification account, verification code. So let me enter my verification code that has been sent to the email. I've entered my verification code that was sent to my email. And congratulations, this is my successfully opened PayPal account. As you can see, I have successfully opened a new PayPal account and my balance here is 0, obviously. And there you have it. This is how you open a PayPal account. Thank you for watching, and consider to subscribe to the channel because I will be sharing more of this educational content on a weekly basis.